Here we are, live and in the portable garage for a bit of a Project DGC update. Today I'm going to be working on putting some ball joints on some Super ATV A-arms. Before we get to that, I figured, well, I'd show you what the old A-arms here look like. They're not bad. There's nothing really wrong with them for general use and stuff, but I figured we'll get something a lot more heavy duty and a heck of a lot heavier. So we have these Super ATV A-arms. The tubing is way larger. The whole thing is built incredibly strong. And yeah, we're going to pop some ball joints into these today. Leading this back up here, and another thing, they're a heck of a lot heavier than these other ones. Main reason for that, you see that weld there, that was a previous repair that caused the wheel to kind of lean in. Moving on over here, I got something set up, but yeah, let's move back over here to the ball joint. First, the other part. We're just using Moose Racing ball joints. They're pretty good, they're kind of generic, I believe, but they seem to work fine, and we're definitely going to go ahead and use them. Here's the other A-arm we got set up here. And yeah, maybe a few little tips here also while doing this. But one thing that I found out when you're pressing them in using sockets, the mating surface here between the socket and the A-arm part there where the ball joint goes in, kind of want to make sure that's nice and flat so you don't bend and put things out of alignment type deal. What I'm using on the bottom supported is a 30mm socket, which does wonderfully. A couple of pieces of 2x4 for this particular A-arm here for the Wildcat Sport. And we're going to be using a 36mm socket to drive the bugger in there. And the reason for that is, whatever you use, you want to make sure you catch this lip here, but you don't want to destroy this rubber seal. So this bugger fits nicely in there and gives me the ability to nice and gently tap that sucker in. So let me see if I can prop you up over here and get her tapped in a little bit. Not even sure if I'm going to get the camera on it, but we will try. That's about the best I can do there. I think you get the gist of it. So I take the ball joint here, make sure it's clean, and wipe off this mating surface a little bit. You don't want no debris in between the two areas there. And yeah, we just set the ball joint down. Grab our trusty little hammer here. Yeah, we're out of the portable garage and in Stone Tech Labs. That ball joint didn't really want to come out very easy. So I figured, well, not out, in. So I figured I would use a rosin press. And not only good for pressing rosin, but also good for pressing in ball joints or pressing them out. So yep, there's our rosin press here, and we just took the plates out. We basically aligned everything up just like I did outside there in the portable garage, and yeah, we pressed them buggers in. The 36mm socket may not have been the best choice. Chewed her up a little bit there on the edges, but it's seated in and looking good. So I think I'll get a proper cup for that, and we'll do that properly the next time. Well, thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this little update here, and we'll see you next time. Bye for now.